Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is FemBebNY. Thank you guys for joining me and welcome everyone. So for today's video, as promised from our last video right there, when I made the #1 mosaic I made it from scratch. So this time, as promised, I will be stuffing that #1 mosaic with our balloons. And these are the materials we'll be using today. We use these colors right here, so you can use this either be boy or baby girl. So we also have the 260Q silver and of course our balloon glue dots. So now we'll talk about the measurement of our #1 mosaic. So a lot of you ask, what is the measurement for this? So this one right here, it measures 3.5 feet, 3.5 feet from the top to the bottom here. That's 3.5 feet. Right here, it measures 10 inches from side to side. And you put it on the bottom right here, it's 21 inches. And on the top right here, this is 18 inches. So the length from this angle right here, from the curve on the very bottom, is 5 inches. Then when you get to the curve, is about around 9 or 8. Okay, the same thing here is about 5 inches. Okay, so you start off with this. It doesn't matter what color actually. So you don't want it too big that it will come out like this if you look at the side. So I want it like, kind of like, just like a little bit off right there. So I'm gonna lower this just like that, right there. So about 8 inches. So it's not too, out. Okay. So all you need to do is cut the tip off. So we'll put this like that. Okay. So I actually made some. Have some here. So I'll alternate the color. So just like that. And then this. So for now, I put it on like that. So later we will stick it with using our balloon glue dots. Okay. So I have some 5 inches here that I made. So put one here, and we'll finalize later. Now guys, as I said, I put this temporarily, so now I will start off with the top one. I'll be using our balloon glue dots. Alright, and we'll continue on. We'll put one on this balloon. There you go, so it's coming along. So I'll put one on by the wall as well, so it's not gonna fall out. Behind this balloon, and stick it to the wall. So it's securely in there. Alright, so this time we will inflate some of our 5 inches balloon. some white. Just like that, guys. Just keep looking, and if you want to step back and look what it looked like from back here, and then keep working on the stuff. See how you can see it looks. You can see like that. The blue dots right there. So I'll cover that up. Alright guys, so we'll add some here, some there. Just a little bit more on the background. Okay, so there's a #1 mosaic filled with balloons, so we're not quite done yet. We'll add more decorations, so some backgrounds like this beads right here, made of 260Q. So if you're new to this channel and you want to know how to make this one, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check it out, and we will add this right there. I will use balloon glue dots, and we'll put this along here. And another one here. So guys, I'll put one on here. And there you go, guys. This is our #1 balloon mosaic. It's finally done and filled with balloons right there. And at the back, you can see. So you can put your water weight right here or balloon weight at the back, so it's not gonna, fly around, or it's not gonna fall down. I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel, FamBamNY. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is FamBamNY, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.